Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Zay, and today we are back. We're live. Had a great week last week. Um, I know I wasn't hopping on the live stream last week, but I just wanted to kind of take a break from it. I knew that I could feel myself getting a little burnt out from just doing them. But I'm back. So let's see what we got now, man. As you can see here, price actually broke above, right? It was using this area kind of as resistance all week last week. And then finally on Thursday, we had a huge drop after CPI news dropped. But then price reversed completely. Now, price did drop. We were able to catch some trades off of this key level, right? But the one thing I did notice is that we had a break of structure. And you could see we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, but it respected the daily and it pushed up again, lower high, higher low, higher high. But I knew at this point that there's a good chance that price rejected this, which it did. After it had a little bit of a break of structure down here on the 5 minute, seen the rejections out of the zone, so I took the trade. Now, we did have a higher high, but we also had a lower low. Price broke below this low here. So I'm kind of thinking we could see somewhat of the same thing right here. I like this ILC up top right here, this one here. And let's just draw out our fib. Something like that. So this is, I think it's a wedge, a bearish wedge. Now I'm thinking we could see it fall off at this point right here. You could see this ray right here. It's like a clean resistance, 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 support, support. Let's get it perfect. There you go. Alright, so we got that. Let's change the color here to red. So we have this key area right here, which you can see daily, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, daily, right? So it's all here. You can see it. Um, but yeah, I know it's hectic over here. My bad. Hold on 1 second. Getting some. Getting something here. You can see that rejection happening right here already. See something if I could get this. It says it's not, it's buffering, right? Hold on. Let me start. Well, we're already here, so I'm gonna fix this on the next one. Sorry that it's buffering. Um, I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with this, but um, let's just get to it. Hopefully, you guys can hear me, understand me. Let's do the Fibonacci from the most recent high to the most recent low. Right there. We're right at that 61.8%, right? But I also do like this ILC right here. It's the only ILC right here. We could do it like that. Something like this. It's more golden zone, right? And it's a sell-off. So we could see it fall from here or get to this area here and fall off, which I do like. I'd probably take the trade somewhere up here though. And then we'd have about yeah, shit. Let's see if we can break it down a little bit lower. It's down here. See, it's breaking above. We got about 2 minutes left. Let's go to the 5 minute. 5 minutes about right there. So yeah, we'd have about a 90 pip stop loss. We got to make sure that we hit at least 200 pips because it's a long way up to this area. So I mean, I think it's a clear break of structure. I think we are seeing higher highs and higher lows, but I think it's part of a wedge. So I'm thinking that as well. So let's see. Let's try and keep it clean, keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Just take what price is giving us. That's that. All right, go time. Oh yeah, we also did have some bad news, right? Empire State Manufacturing Index came back a lot worse than expected. UK Finance Minister will no longer be proceeding with the new VAT-free shopping scheme. So I think, we should see it come down. We could see it come down from here, but we just got to make sure that we know what we're looking at. So let's see. Get ready. It's go time. See if it goes up to our zone. Right, our zone's somewhere up here. Could fall off from right here though. So let's see. Kind of see where our zone's at. It's about 100 to, we're still about 80 pips away. So let's see. See if it breaches up there. Alright, get ready. Let's see. Put a little something in right now. Just a small one. And then once it gets to my position up top, then we put a bigger one. So I got one in there right now. It's more of a reaction than I was expecting. As soon as it tapped it, right? That's why I kind of wanted to put one in there. Okay, we're in there. But it could still come up on us. You see that 1 minute? That's like a what, 80 pip, 70 pip, 1 minute candle. So it could still come up on us, but you know, let's just see. I have smaller positions in here for the account size, right? But yeah, once it gets up here, this is where I'd like to put a bigger position in. I'm in like pretty good up here. I'm like right there with my first position. Let's see. And again, we'd have to have it pretty much above here. It's a big stop loss, but that's why we have smaller positions in there, so we can see. I mean, I do want it to make it up a little bit higher. Let's see if it actually goes. Yeah, it actually hasn't reached the body yet, so once it does, then we'll put a bigger position in there. I guess it did reach that area. I think I was looking for here, right? So let's see. I just entered something. That'll be my last position, the one that I entered right here. And yeah, so these two positions, and let's see what happens. I did it there because of the 5 minute body. Just a 5 minute body. I'll draw. It's right there. Red. Go to. Yeah, if it comes up on us, that'll suck, but it is what it is, right? How to break a structure. Hopefully it comes down. Hopefully this news is with us and going against with us, but we'll see right now. Truthfully though, I think my bottom positions, if price comes down and takes them out, I mean, if price comes back down to their level, I think I will pull them. The bottom positions here, I think I'll pull those about here. But once if price comes down to these levels, then I'll pull them here. Or I might just pull them at break even if it continues to move in a huge pace. But we'll see right now. And truthfully, it need to be of this wick. At 122, that's not something I like right there. 122 pips, it's a lot of pips. So don't necessarily like that, but we'll see right now. What's funny is though, I could have probably just taken this right here, this trade, right? Boom. Once I seen it break above, retest, jump in that bitch, take it up to the upside. Because now that I look at it, I'm looking at it on my other screen, it could definitely make it up top here to this level. It's definitely possible to come back up and reject this before coming down. But we'll see right now. See what the market gives us. Yeah, it's looking like it might get up out of here. Mm, damn, it's about to stop me out. Well, it happens. It's getting pretty damn close to it. Mm, pretty damn close to it. Anything that's below here, if it comes down, I'm probably just going to take it out. Um, but we'll see right now what the market really gives me. If it comes down, I'll probably take out everything. But if it hits my stop loss, it hits my stop loss too. So gotta understand that side of it. Sucks because I really don't want to pull my trade just because I know it can make it up top and then fall. I just put another sell up top. Hopefully it falls, and that'll be my position. Everything that my bottom positions below, if it comes down, I'm taking those out, um, just to be safe. So let's see. Doesn't look like it. Now that I look at it, look at the 1 minute. It's showing rejections here. Showing rejections, support on top of the EMA, and it looks like it's going to continue up to the upside, unfortunately. I like the double tweezer bottom. I think it's looking like it's going to come back up on us or shoot up on us. So, unfortunately, I think that's where we're headed right now. But let's see the top of the trade. Let's see, no, it's coming up. Yeah, it's funny. I just watched a video about like not fighting the trend, but yeah, you see that. So what it did is it broke above the body, then it used it as support, resistance, support. Now it's going to take it up to this next level up top. So let's see. I'm still holding it, but unfortunately I'm down about 2 G's right now. I got the 10K account, but let's see if it makes its way down from here. Let's see. Thinking once it gets back up to this area, it could fall. But again, bearish wedge, and it didn't. So, see. Could come up to this 88.6. We'll see. I don't think I'm going to add any more positions. But we'll see right now. Oh, sorry, I still haven't pulled my positions. I can't hold it for 300 pips though. That's just insane. You know what? This is going to be the new high. We'll go from there. If it breaks above this wick, then we're done. 166 pips. I have a 0.03 in there. That position alone is down 364, so 355. So it's a key area right here on the 1 minute. So let's see. See if it comes down. The 1 minute, it has to go bearish right here. If it doesn't, then I don't think it's coming down because the 15 minute looks crazy already. So I think naturally, if a small retracement could come, and I'll probably exit out of all my positions down below. I mean, it could fall off from here, but I think just naturally we need we need to drop back down. Kind of let the EMAs catch up. Because here on the 1 minute, EMAs are right here, right? So we got to see where it takes us. But I like the rejection right here, huge engulfing candle. So let's see. Everything below, I'm going to take out. As soon as it reaches it. I have that position right here, 30294, no, 299. And all my bottom positions I will take out if it reaches down there. Probably take some out right here. See, continue this push. That's the breakthrough this 4 hour, right? See if it continue down a little bit. I'd hate for it to fly up on this one, but I don't think it will. I think it's going to make it down a little bit farther. I hope. It's right on that 1 minute 20 EMA, right? So it could fully engulf and then come up and break above. But hopefully it comes down. I'm hoping it makes it down to the 50 EMA. Maybe the top of this pattern right here. This wedge is what I'm hoping. Uh, all right, let's see. Come on. Come on. Ah, should just flew up. Rejected it like I didn't want it to. That's coming up. It's crazy how that little point was the one. That's kind of like my point to get to break even right here. Sheesh. Only hope is this ILC gets rejected, kind of like what it did, this one here. Because if this ILC gets rejected, and then we could see a breakthrough right here. But it has to, in these next 20 seconds, it kind of has to show its wick out and hopefully turn bearish, but that doesn't look good. 6 seconds. See if it finishes bearish. If it finishes bearish engulfing, then I think we're in business. But if it comes up these last 20 seconds, 24 seconds, then I think it's probably just an invalid trade. And I'll probably exit everything. I did like the rejection at that area. It's just a matter of if it's going to continue up, which it kind of looks like it is. Yeah, look at that. It's I think a shooting star candle. Oh, I forgot what this one's called, but it's a bear pattern that could kind of help them go our way. But let's see. Let's see. Um, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, broke through there. Stay below. Here with those pushes to the downside, I'm hoping we can see something clean right here and mean. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, get down there. It's kind of rising from here. We'll see. I think it should keep its form down at least to this level right here. And I want to exit all my positions at that point, but let's see. Hopefully we can use this 4 hours resistance along with the 20 EMA, reject that, and come back down here. Come down. Damn, that should really just do that. Wow, that should better come back down. Boom. Let's go. I closed out most of my position. I'm gonna pull out some of it now. All right, I'm gonna let the rest run. I got a 0.05 in there now. I had a terrible risk to reward ratio today because I was down like 2,800 at one point, and now I've secured 1,500. Trusted the trade, but it could have just been a shit. I lost like 30% of the account today, basically. Um, so I got to work on that. I'm at break even though, and I'm up 1550 for the day, and I got about 600 running. But I want to see if it can possibly push down a little bit more. Um, this wasn't a great day for me in terms of trading. I should have been a little bit more patient, not trying to miss the trade or anything. But you know, it is what it is. I just had to get out of my positions below, which I did, and you know, now we're here. I mean, it looks good though to continue down. Let's just see what it gives us. Two, see if it could continue down. Honestly, I'd probably be looking for profit right here, this ILC. And then if we go to the 5 minute, looks decent. Came up to this level. I mean, I did have it falling all the way right here. I just don't know if it'll do that. Let's see what else they got going for the week. Tomorrow, nothing crazy. Wednesday, nothing crazy. Okay, yeah, I do think Thursday will be a big day, especially with home sales. Yeah, I think these three will be important. So Thursday is where we really got to watch out for it. And look at that push up. See if he uses it as resistance now. Comes back down. And we're up about 100 pips right now. Lesson learned today, though. I mean, usually I'm ahead of it, but man, let's just see what it gives us. Looks good so far. Didn't have my best risk to reward ratio today, but we're in the trade right now. I was holding, so it, you know, I held through about 160 pips of drawdown, which isn't very good. But I just trusted the trade, and now we're up about 140 pips from that top position. Pulled all the bottom positions out, just didn't want to risk it. So yeah, let's see what we got going now. You see how it's respecting the top of that trend line? It's a big rejection right there. We're still up a good amount, though, about 130 pips, 140 pips. Um, yeah, we're at kind of a nice little resistance to support area right now, too. You zoom out, let's check out the 15-minute. You can see right here where price kind of rejected. Got rejection, support, rejection, rejection, kind of, right? We can see it there, but the thing that's keeping me in here is this candle right here. Even though it's not engulfing this, like I said, break a structure, bullish wedge, I think it should come down, at least to here, right? At least to this level. Now, will it break through all this? Possibly, probably, maybe not, but we'll see. Yeah, biggest thing is I should have waited for price to get up to here, minimum, minimum. So baby, you awake? Are you awake now? Sounds like you're asleep. Okay, let's eat some cereal. Well, we're in the trade. Let's see if it, yeah, baby. See if it does what we want it to do from here. Still respecting this, and then on the 1 minute, you can kind of see it forming on. Uh, um, support using this wedge, right, or the top of this formation, right? Using it as support now. So we got to see a breakthrough here. I think it should, but there it goes. I think it should, maybe not. But if it doesn't, we could see it starting to kind of form that crossover right here. So I think we could see it push down below. But let's see. Bunch of big rejections off that area.